Alrighty guys, back with the salmon here. I ran about 25 minutes and then I ran another 15 on there because my salmon was still a little bit frozen in the middle, so I had to throw it back for another 15 minutes. So just popped it out here, open it up, and it should come apart nice and crispy like that. Flake right apart. Done all the way through. Just fall right apart just like that. So that shows that it's completely cooked. I always want to fully cook your salmon and everything and make sure that you don't end up with something yucky in there. So yeah, just a quick tutorial on that. Just honey, seasoned salt, and butter, and then you got little pin bones, and then you have to watch out for, so you have to pick them out of there when you're going through it. But yeah, let it cool down a little bit, and then you got this nice little sauce in here that's got the honey flavor in there, and the butter. You can put a little on there and dip it in there. Makes a nice little tasty treat. Enjoy, guys. Till next time.